Hi! In front of me is iPhone 13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen on this device. First of all, you need to access App Store, click on the search bar and type in split screen. Following that, download this free app from this developer and open it. Then click on As App Not to Track or select Allow. Then click on Allow in this pop-up and now hold this line. Then you need to drag it to the top or to the bottom to resize your split screen. Now you can click on apps that you wish to use in this view. I will go with YouTube and Facebook. As you can see after that, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, you can do that by closing your app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!